For question 8, they told us to sketch the graph of this equation, making clearly the points of intersections with the axis. We need to also show the coordinate axis intersections, right? Points of intersections. So first, let's set y equals 0. Therefore, x cubed minus 5x squared plus 6x equal 0, right? You can take x common, x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0, and now we will factorize middle term whatever with this. Let's find out two values here. We can do middle term, which is x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So x minus 3 minus 2, x minus 3. Therefore, we got the value 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, right? From here 3 and from here 2, and we know as we set y equals 0 first, so all the y values will be 0. Another good part, tricky part here is that you know the coordinates, but you need to know how the shape will be arriving when it rises up or goes down. So for that you have to find x infinity, y and x negative infinity, for which what will be y infinity. By infinity, what do I mean? That for a large value of x, what will be the value of y? For a large value of negative x, what will be the large value of y? Okay, so let's we can do that from the calculator. Here I have put the equation. Now for x, a large value of x, which could be 100, for instance, let's see, y is also positive, so large positive value of x, the y will also be increasing. For a large negative value of x, which could be minus 100 or minus 1000, whatever, the y value will be also very larger and negative. So we know that when x is increasing, y is increasing as well. So x equal infinity, so y will also be like this, and when x equal negative infinity, y will also be negative infinity. We know when it's rising, y is also rising. So we know the shape of, we can imagine a shape for the ends, right? So let's plot the graph now. I will erase this part, but this is very important and you must do this. As I don't have space, I'm erasing it. So for 0, 0, we can see 0, 0. Then we have 2, 2, 0. Then we also have 3, 0, right? 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. Now, as we saw that when x is increasing with large values, y will also be increasing with large values. Therefore, we could say, could show that when x here is -1, -2, something like this, right? -1, -2. We don't need this coordinate, but you can see that when the negative values of x is going like this, y will also be going negative. As we are going negative like this, here -1, -2, -1, -2, it is going like this, right? As we saw that x minus infinity, y minus infinity, that's what it says. So we will just show in the curve. Oops. Then go like this, and lastly again, as x values are increasing, right? X values are increasing, y values, x is going here, so y is also increasing here. So this part, these ends show this thing. Otherwise we would be confused. How will the graph look? It could be like this as well, right? And then it could go like this, but that would be like x is increasing and y is decreasing, and that's not the case. It would change the shape, right? So this will be the shape. So I hope it's clear. Now we'll go to part B, and hence sketch. Okay, let's go to part B. For B part, they're saying